So look, this is really important. If you are one of the people that had some challenges with your Galaxy Watch 4 or 5, Samsung has just released a new Galaxy Watch diagnostic tool that will help you to identify what the issue might be. Reason being, it has now the possibility to check 15 different components on your Galaxy Watch 4 or 5. Why is this important? Well, if the diagnostic tool comes back with an error message, Samsung support can no longer say, well, you know what, it is a user error. Well, technically they can, but it makes it more difficult now because you do have some sort of evidence and you can say, well, your very own diagnostic tool that you have given to me shows an error message and please fix my battery. Okay, so here we go. Go to the Samsung Members app on your phone. Once open, you go to the support section on the bottom right hand corner. Then you will find an option that is called Connected Device Diagnostics. If you see this for the very first time, it needs to be installed. It only takes a couple of minutes at the most. Let's start with test number 1. Let's see what happens when we test the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro touchscreen. Once you click on the test option in the diagnostic tool right here, it will direct you to your Galaxy Watch and will ask you to swipe all squares, the squares you see here, until they change to the color blue. So once you conducted the test, it will basically show you the results on your phone in the diagnostic tool, of course. So everybody has different requirements, but for me, there is a couple of tests that are important, like location accuracy, amongst others. So if you can, take your Galaxy Watch outside, away from your home, away from your Wi-Fi, only then will it give you the true results of the location accuracy test. And yes, I know, so many people are looking for that battery status test. So let's see what happens when we do the most important test. Well, I suppose let's check what it does when we go into this option. It will basically perform a battery life test on your Galaxy Watch. Again, once it's finished, it will go back to your phone. It will go back to your phone and show the results there. Mine here shows all is good, all is normal. So far, so good, right? But I have one video coming out very shortly that will help you to save battery life immensely by changing one setting only. So if you want to see that, please make sure to subscribe. So I have gone through every single test one by one. For you, of course, I tested all 15 components here to be precise. But most of the time, it will really direct you to your Galaxy Watch, like speaker test, microphone test, Wi-Fi, sensors, buttons, and so on. But this gives you the possibility to kind of feel and see certain malfunctions right away, which I kind of like. I do like this new tool for several reasons, but what it also does, once you performed your test, when you look at the results on your phone, beneath you see an FAQ section, which is related to that specific test topic. If you want to know how to get this diagnostic tool, just check out this video here or here, and then you will be good to go. Thank you for watching. Peace.